When is Children's Day celebrated in India every year? Answer is November 14th. Whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is known as Chachaji? Jawaharlal Nehru. When was Nehru born? 14th November 1889. What's the name of Nehru's father? Motilal Nehru. Who is the mother of Nehru? Swaroop Rani. Educated in England at Harrow and Cambridge, what occupation did Nehru qualify for? Answer is lawyer. When did Jawaharlal Nehru first time meet Mahatma Gandhi? In 1916. When did Nehru got Bharat Ratna? In 1955. Which is the famous speech delivered by Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer is Tryst with Destiny. Which is the famous slogan of Nehru? Answer is Purna Swaraj. Name the wife of Nehru. Kamala Kaul. What is the name of Nehru's autobiography? Answer is An Autobiography. When Nehru became the General Secretary of All India Congress Committee in 1923. What is the name of newspaper started by Nehru? Answer is National Herald in 1938. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. Who said this? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the favorite flower of Nehru which he always wear on his coat? Answer is red rose. Who was the sister of Nehru who became the first female president of UN General Assembly? Answer Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the Prime Minister when India signed Panchashila with China? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. When did Jawaharlal Nehru die? 27th May 1964. Where is the resting place of Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer is Shandivan. Where is Nehru Memorial Museum and Library? New Delhi. Which day Universal Children's Day celebrated? 20th November. When was World Children's Day first established? In 1954. Which Indian Prime Minister initiated Non-Aligned Movement (NAM)? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. When was Nehru elected as first Congress President? In 1929. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Where is the birthplace of Nehru? Answer is Allahabad. Who is known as the architect of Indian foreign policy? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the daughter of Nehru who became the only woman Prime Minister of India? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Who was the longest serving Prime Minister of India? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the author of the book Glimpses of World History? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the famous book written by Nehru? Answer is Discovery of India. Who is known as the political successor of Gandhi? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru.